Yeah, hi. So here, okay, in this session, we are going to discuss about the third party sales. Okay, yes. So what is the third party sales? Okay, I think from this picture, I think you will be getting some clear idea over here. Okay, so anyway, I'll just explain this. Okay, and we can go for it. Okay, it's a quite simple process. It's not like a very complicated. Okay, maybe the name will be a little bit complicated, but the things is very easy. Okay, if you understand the logic. Okay. So let me get into the logic first. Okay, so then we can see that. Okay, right. Okay, so let me understand the logic. Okay, so please write. Yeah. So here what we are going to do is, okay, what is our normal thing? Okay, so normal thing what we will do, so the customer, okay, so they will be giving you the order. Okay, so you will be receiving the order here. Okay, you will be receiving the order and you will be doing the delivery, and finally you will be doing the billing, right? Yes, so that's it. Okay, our process is done. But here what we are going to do is, okay, so we are receiving the order. Okay, the same thing, we are receiving the order. Okay, customer order, and we are placing that order. It's okay, but the delivery what we are going to do is, we are going to, okay, ask a vendor. Okay, we are going to assign a vendor to do the delivery. For an example, okay, customer is ordering to me, so I don't have a stock. Okay, maybe I don't have a stock. Maybe if I do the stock also, it will be taking long time. So what I will do is, I will ask my vendor. Okay, so who does the similar project? Okay, who just manufactures a similar product? I will ask my vendor to, okay, so deliver the product to the customer. That's it, because ultimately my customer should get satisfied. Okay, for that what I need to do, okay, I'm just asking my vendor to deliver the product to the customer, so I can pay to my vendor, so customer can pay to me. Very simple. That is what the concept we have just mentioned here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the customer, okay, the customer is placing an order here, right? The customer is placing an order. Okay, and what I'm doing is, okay, so I'm just placing that order. Okay, that I'm just giving an order to my vendor. Okay, I need to give a purchase order, right? I need to purchase from the vendor, so I'm giving a purchase order here. We don't have any concept called purchase order till now, we have not seen. So now this order is going to generate the purchase order automatically. Okay, or the equation, whatever. Okay, that particular equation. Okay, so it will allow, okay, it will allow the vendor to deliver the product. You can see it will automatically deliver the product to the customer. Who will deliver? So the vendor will deliver. Okay, in behalf of me, so the vendor will deliver the product to the customer. Okay, and he will give the bill to me. You can see, and he will give the bill to me. Okay, so I deliver the product to the customer, so like that he will give the bill to me, so I will pay to the vendor. So there is a benefit also, because I'm getting a customer order. For an example, okay, maybe you can take, okay, so for 100 USD, okay, for 100 USD I'm getting an order from the customer. Same thing. Okay, so if I order to this vendor, so I need to pay, okay, I need to pay only, okay, for an example 75 USD. Okay, because the vendor will charge me only 75 USD, so 25 USD is my profit already. Okay, so I will ask my vendor to deliver this product to the customer, so he will deliver over there and he will give the invoice to me. Okay, he will give the invoice like this to me, and based on that, okay, I'll pay $75 to them, and I will raise the invoice to the, okay, customer, that, okay, you have got the material, so he will pay 100 USD to me. So this is the process. See, very simple. For an example, customer normally orders to us, we will deliver. In this case, okay, we are asking our vendor to deliver. So that's what the third party. Okay, the third party is involving in this process. So we call this as a third party sales. So only thing is, okay, only thing is the vendor is additionally we have added, and we are giving an order to him. Okay, a purchase order, because we need to purchase. If we are not giving any purchase order to them, so they cannot able to procure, right? Yes, so that's the process. That is the only thing here. So for that we need to change something. Yes, we need to change. Okay, we need to change something in the item category. Okay, in the material item category we have to do some changes over here. Okay, let's see how we have to do, and let's try for the process. Okay, right. Okay, so let's get into the system here. Okay, let's get into the system. Okay, let me get into the system here. right? So what we need to do is, okay, before we start the thing, okay, so the material we need to choose it here, okay, so the material we need to choose, and that material, okay, should have some certain item category. We cannot use the normal item category here. So item category will be something different. Okay, we can take some item. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, let's take this item over here. Okay, so let me go for mm02, and let's take some FG item over here. Maybe, okay, maybe I'll take this item, just an example. Okay, just taking this item. Okay, give the sales view here. Okay, sales view, because this item should have a sales view and also the okay, so the purchase view. Okay, both that should be there. Okay, so I think better we can create a new item, that will be better. Okay, let me create a new item over here. Okay, let me create a new item here. Okay, I need everything. Okay, I need a sales view also. Okay, I need the purchasing view also, because so I need to procure this item and I need to deliver to the vendor. So I need to raise a purchase order also. I need to raise a sale order also. So I need both the views only for this case. Okay, so for the normal case we'll be having only the sales view, right? But here we'll be having sales and the purchasing view, both the view we are having here. Okay, so be clear on that. Okay, right, so let me go into that. Okay, enter, and let me give all other things and enter. Okay, let me quickly create one. So maybe I'll put this. Okay, so okay, so third party. Okay, so I'll put, okay, third party product. Okay, so give some unit of measurement. Okay, I'll give some unit of measurement here. Okay, some metal group, and normally, okay, we will be using this normal category, right? So here we are using a different category. Okay, this is what the difference is. Okay, just try to understand the difference. Here we are having the difference over here. Okay, so what is the difference over here is, okay, we will be normally using the normal category. So here we are using the item category as third party item. So this item, we need to mention this as a third party item here. Okay, so go for this third party item, just double click on that. Okay, you will be getting a third party item here. This needs to be changed. Okay, one thing, enter. Okay, also we need to change in the, okay, sales view also. Okay, go to the sales view also. So we need to make this changes over here. Okay, go for the sales. Okay, so here also we need to change. Okay, so yes, so here also change this to, okay, BANS, because this defines that this is a third party item. Okay, yes, then as usual, okay, give all these things as usual. Okay, these all things were quite normal here, so give all these things over here. Okay, enter. Okay, right, so give all these things. These all things are routinely we do, right? The same, all these things you can do it here. Okay, so let me give all other things. Okay, yes, these all things already we have seen. Okay, just for a name, I'm just giving all these things. Okay, so okay, make it X. Okay, make it X. We need to do both the case, right? So make it X. Okay, I'll put some delivery time also here, and I'll put production time also here. Okay, both the things it is required here, because yes. Okay, now go for the MRP. Okay, I'll just put the strategy. Okay, I'll just put a common strategy here. Okay, yes, enter. So now it is done. So now we want to go for one more thing here. Okay, so regarding plant, it's fine. So storage, it's fine. So I can directly jump off into the accounting view. So sometimes the people will use a different accounting. So we normally use the, okay, the same valuation class as finished goods. Okay, right. So put the standard price. So I'll put 1000 price review here. Okay, right, now everything is fine here. Okay, right, so now let me save this. Okay, save this. So your product is ready now. Okay, this is the product. Okay, now the product is ready. So now this product, okay, from the sales side is okay, so we can able to deliver something, so we can assign some price and all these things, okay, during that particular thing here. But okay, same time for the purchasing side also we need to maintain something. Okay, so first I will maintain the, what to say, the price in here, and we need to maintain a price in the purchasing also. Okay, right, for an example. Okay, what is the example we have given? I'll just try the same thing. I'll go to VK11, I'll go for the price. Okay, normal material, I'm just updating that. Okay, so put the price over here. So price, okay, I'll just put, okay, so some, okay, so 1,000 rupees. Okay, I'll just give 1,000 rupees 1,000 rupees for the customer. Okay, I'm selling this product for 1,000 rupees for the vendor, sorry, for the customer. Now for the same item, what we need to do is we need to go for the purchasing material master also. In purchasing, there is a master data is available. Okay, there also we need to maintain, because we need to procure this, right? Yes. So what we need to do is we need to go for that. We call that as an info record. Okay, we can go to ME11. It's a new thing. Okay, so this will be maintained by MM. Okay, you can take a help of MM people. Okay, I'll go this one because we don't have MM now, so we need to create that. For this material, so we need to assign the vendor. So certain vendors, I need to assign some vendor and some organization. How we have the purchase, or sorry, sales organization, like that they have the purchase organization. So this needs to be maintained, then only the purchasing will happen. Okay, right, enter. And we need to maintain the price over here. It's not maintained by purchasing. I think we not maintained. I think we have given the view, I think so. Let me check. Go for MM01. Let me check one more time here. Okay, so this thing is not there. So let me check one more time. Okay, I think we just missed this one. Okay, right, it's okay. Okay, so now we maintain that. Okay, this purchasing we have to maintain. Okay, or else we cannot able to take this material to the MM department. Okay, now it is ready. So now you can go back. Okay, go to this ME11 here. So go to ME11. Okay, now try. Okay, so we are going to create. Okay, enter. Okay, so here we need to maintain the price. You can see that. Okay, so we are taking, so how much quantity, and here we are meeting a price. So purchasing price, I'll just put 75 rupees. Sorry, 750 rupees. I'll put like that. Okay, so selling price. Okay, so selling price I'm just having for 1,000 rupees, but purchasing price I'm 750, because I should have some profit also, right? Yes. Yeah. So let me put a save. So now when I procure, when I just purchase this material from the vendor, okay, it will be 750 rupees. So the vendor will supply this item to the customer, but I will get a payment of 1,000 rupees from the customer. Okay, fine. So I need to add some source list also. One of the master data is source list, that also we need to add. Okay, these are the master data of MM here. Okay, so we cannot have any choice. So because we are taking the third party integration, so we need to go for that also. Okay, so we need to maintain all these things. Mostly this will be done by the MM guys. Okay, just you want to request them. Okay, so I'll just give the vendor. Okay, organization. Okay, I'm fixing this vendor and all these things. Okay, to be done. Okay, this is the master data we need to maintain. Okay, save this. Okay, what we are maintaining is for this vendor, we are going to purchase this material from this vendor for this cost. Okay, we are just maintaining that. Right, and now it's time to, okay, create an order. Now we have both the things. Now we want to try to create an order. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let me go for VS01. Okay, VS01 here. Okay, let me put any order type here. Okay, any order type you can go with it. Okay, and enter. So give a customer. Okay, any customer you can give here. Okay, that's not a problem. Give any customer here. Okay, enter. Okay, so I'll put a test. Okay, so third party test. Right, so now give the material over here. Okay, so we just want to give the material, so I'll just type, okay, third party, because I just don't forget. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is a third party material here. Okay, so what we need to do here, okay, so let me try to add this one here. Okay, so let me give a quantity of 1 and enter. Okay, you can see the purchase requisition can only be created for the items assigned to a plant. Okay, so we need to assign a plant. Okay, so then only the purchase requisition can be generated. Okay, because we are not delivering that, the vendor is delivering this item, so we need to give a order to them, then only it can be done. Okay, so just give okay. and we need to maintain the plant here. Okay, just double click on that and go to the shipping, and we need to maintain the plant. Okay, so yes, you can see the plant is not there. That is why system is giving a pop-up. So just make this particular plant as 1000 and give an enter. Okay, so it is asking for some information. You can see the vendor already came. You can see the vendor came, info record came, the price came, all these things automatically came here. Okay, right? So now what you are going to do is, okay, just giving only this purchase organization and enter. Okay, enter this. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so now I just want to give the storage location also. Okay, perfect. It's not been assigned. Okay, let me try with another thing. Okay, I think the storage location is a problem. It's fine. So now what we need to do is, okay, go to the schedule line here. Okay, go to the schedule line. We see the schedule line over here, right? So there you can see, so there is an option called purchase request. You can see that. Okay, we have a purchase request option. So what we are going to have is, when I save this order, automatically I will be getting a purchase request here. Okay, automatically I'm getting a purchase request over here. So that particular purchase request, what it means is, we are going to convey this to the vendor. Okay, and vendor is going to do that. So there's a request I need to give to the MM department. So they will raise the purchase order. Okay, they will take care of that, but I need to give a request. So here the request should generate automatically. Okay, so let's see that how it is happening. So let me save this order. Okay, I'll save this order here. Okay, saved, right? So now we can get back to this order again. So get back into the order. So VA02, we need to see that what happened now. Enter. Okay, go to the schedule line here. Okay, so get into the schedule line. Go to the schedule line here. And there you can see automatically we got the purchase request. Okay, this is the configuration here. Okay, that item category we just configured, right? That is based on this. You can see you automatically got the purchase request. It means we are not going to deliver to this customer. So this particular request, okay, we need to inform this request to the purchase department. So the purchase department will inform the vendor, and vendor will deliver the product to the customer. Okay, so for that, okay, the vendor will give the bill to me. So I need to pay for the vendor, and the customer will pay for me. Very simple. So what we need to do now? So we are not doing the delivery, so we don't informing the production, we are informing the purchase department. We are giving this purchase request to them. Okay, so let me give that. What they will do is, okay, with this purchase request, they will create a purchase order. For an example, maybe I'll just go to this purchase order screen. These all things MM will do, so you don't have any responsibility, don't worry about that. Okay, so here they will be creating that. Okay, so they will be creating a purchase order for that particular vendor. Okay, so for that particular vendor, so they will be creating that. Okay, so the particular vendor, they will be creating that particular thing here. Okay, right? So here, okay, so they will be selecting what is the purchase order here, sorry, purchase request. So here you will be getting the purchase request. Here you can see this is the purchase request what we got. You can see automatically it came here to the purchase. Now we are in the purchasing screen. You can see automatically we are getting this information. What the purchasing people will do is, they will click on this adapt. Okay, it will be automatically adapts on the right side. Okay, automatically it will be adapts on the right side. You can see automatically it gets updated. Okay, so what it is saying is, okay, some configuration is missing on this one. Okay, so some configuration is missing, no issues, I'll just clear that. Okay, just for showing you, but normally this will be done by the MM department. But anyway, so we want to see the result. Okay, so instead of delivery, we are having this purchase order. Okay, that is the difference. I want to show you the difference. So instead of this particular delivery, we are having this particular thing here. Okay, now I'm going into the middle management. We want to clear that error, because we don't have any particular people, so that's why we need to do that. Okay, so which particular pivot type we have used, so we need to find that here. Yes, so here one item thing is messing up. Okay, I need to check that here. Okay, so here we need to find that particular document type as NB. Okay, NB is a standard type. What here? Okay, so here we need to maintain something over here. Okay, yes, regarding that. So let me copy this. Okay, I just want to make this one. Okay, so the item category, so they are planning to have some special category here because this comes under the third party, right? So you want to have some special category over here. It's a third party, you can see that. So this third party is not activated, that's why it is showing error. So we want to maintain this. Okay, we need to maintain this over here, so then only it will be taken. So we need to assign this particular standard case here. Okay, so we need to assign this particular third party here, so then only it will be done here, because that is the configuration is missing. Okay, yes. Okay, let me give yes and yes over here and enter. Okay, so now the setup is done for the third party. Okay, yes, this is what is not available, so let me give a save here. Okay, this will be normally done by the people. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so but still, okay, you should have this one. Okay, so now let's go for this order. Okay, we need to go back and come. Okay, it will not reflect, so go back and come over here. Okay, so get into ME21N again. Okay, again. Okay, so get into that. Okay, so again I'm just trying to put on this and the vendor. Okay, so we'll put the same vendor, and now we can try to adapt this. Okay, now you can see there is no error. Okay, earlier it was showing in red. Okay, red means it's an error. Okay, now you can see it is nothing over here, and you can see it is based on this particular equation. You can see, so based on this particular equation, and also you can see the other connectivity. Okay, you can see the other connectivity. If you go for this account assignment, you can able to see, so you can see the connection from which order, which everything is connected over here. So everything we are doing to for this order only. So this purchase is for this order. Okay, everything is having a reference, and you can see the purchasing price is 750 rupees, but we are selling for 1000. Okay, that is different, that we have mentioned in the order. Now what we need to do, we want to save this. Okay, save this particular thing. Okay, you can just save this one. Okay, save it. Okay, so now this order is generated. Okay, now what we can do is, for an example, if you go for VS02, and normally we will get the document flow, right? What we will get the delivery. Now you can see what we are getting here. So that is what the third part, you can see that now. So we are getting a purchase order here. You can see that. You can see there is a purchase order here. So normally we will be getting only the delivery, right? Yes, we will be getting only the delivery. Okay, but you can see here now in this third party case, we are just having the purchase order. So because we are not going to deliver that, we are going to give a purchase order to the vendor. The vendor will do the delivery. See, when the vendor is doing the delivery, we will not get a trace here. But this purchase order is a trace. We are given the purchase order to them, so they will deliver over here. So against this purchase order, only we will be doing the invoice. Only we will be doing the invoice, means we are only doing the invoice to the customer. And the customer will pay for us, and we will pay to the vendor. Okay, this kind of scenario. Okay, this kind of scenario is a third party sale. Not all the companies will be using this, but still, okay, so this process is also an important here. Okay, so yes. Okay, finally we will be doing only the invoice. Okay, so all other things are same here. The vendor will do the delivery, and for the vendor we need to do. So will invert this material, this purchase order, they will do it, and they will release the payment for them. Okay, all these things are fine. So from our side, only the invoice is there, right? Yes. So that is what we mentioned as a third party sales. Okay, it's very simple if you understand this logic here. Right? Yes.